What's going on, campers? Mike Sampson of Strawhead Adventures, and today I want to show you this brand new floor plan by Sunset Park that we just got in. I know I did a video, a real quick video of it back when we were in Indiana at the show on one of the prototype models, but today we're actually in one that we have on the lot, and I'm super excited to show you. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, welcome back. And this here is a brand new floor plan by Sunset Park. It's going to be in their Sun Lite line. This is going to be the 14FD. This one we have here is going to be in white and green, which is really nice in my opinion. I'm a little biased because my favorite color is green. But anyways, we're going to go along the front side here. We'll have two 20-pound propane tanks, manual tongue jack, 2-inch coupler. You'll have your battery disconnect, 4 stabilization jacks, so you got one in each corner. You'll have a water heater. This is gas or electric. Outside shower, black tank flush, your 30-amp service, and then sewer outlets for your gray and black on either side of your axle. This isn't a sports model, so you do get these aggressive off-road, real grippy tires. So as you can see here in New York, we got some snow. Might be able to get out and do some camping there. This here will be your pass-through storage on the back side. You have access through the front and then inside as well. In the back corner here, we'll have your freshwater tank fill, which will be 30 gallons, 30 gallons gray and 14 black. We'll also have your city water connection. Stinky Slinky tube in the back, full-size spare, large rear window, which I absolutely love. And then we're also prepped for your backup camera up here as well. Coming along the front side again, you're going to see this awning with a light. Really nice setup. Can't quite get it a full length, but they did give you as much as they could on this guy. You're going to have propane hookups here in the front, right by the doors. You can build an outside kitchen if that's something you'd like. Some of the key specs to know about this guy on what you can tow it with. To start with, we're going to be at 2380 unloaded, 16.2 in total length. Like I said, 30 fresh, 30 gray, and 14 black. And this will sleep 2 to 3. As we head inside, you're going to see our refrigerator and freezer, which is good size. That's paired for everyone worried about 12-volt refrigerators. This is paired with a 190-watt solar panel up on the roof. They come standard with 100. We went standard with 190 here at Hartley's. So most of our campers, if not all of them, already have the 190-watt upgrade. We'll have our dinette over here with some nice thick cushions. Give you some extra padding, things like that. This will sit 2 comfortably, maybe 3 if it's a grandkid or something like that. You do have some storage behind there, and then your blackout blinds as well. Really nice. You do get some storage under the bench as well, right when you walk in. And then into our kitchenette. Cancel out some of this vehicle noise. Into our kitchenette, you'll have a nice 2-burner stove. Lights up, you're going to have a light and hood fan. Right above it, we'll have a nice microwave by Furrion. Sink with a cutting board cover. I always tell everyone, flip it over, cut on the bottom side, put all your scars and scratches there. So you got a nice clean countertop. You'll have some storage as well underneath. Right here is your furnace. And then underneath your bed, you have access to that outside, that pass-through storage. Beautifully done bed area. I love the windows all the way around. Really brightens it up. Makes it feel very spacious. And in the summertime, it'll be very cool because all 3 windows open up so that cross breeze will be there. It'll be really nice. Some storage up above your bed. We also have a rooftop AC along with a nice exhaust fan. And then we have a very nice wet bath. This is very similar in size to the Sunray 149 as the wet bath goes. I'm about 5'9", 270 pounds or so, and I fit in this pretty decently and can do what I need to do for a camper bath. We also are prepped for the TV, so you'll have hookups here for traditional TV or a 12-volt. Nice backer here so you can hang that there. Over here in this spot here as well, we also have our thermostat by Honeywell, some USB 12-volt chargers, GFI outlet, and things like that. Now, this here is probably towable by most minivans. Not sure if you'd think it was quite comfortable, but we're at 2380 unloaded. So you have some leeway. You could pull it with a minivan, maybe beef up the suspension or something like that. But most SUVs, full-size SUVs, and maybe even some of the crossovers will be able to tow something like this. It's really nice that you can get away with a smaller vehicle and still have everything you need in a camper. I think Sunset Park has done a great job with this. And I could see a lot of folks getting out there without breaking the bank in the gas mileage. And as always, I'm Mike Sampson of Strawhead Adventures, and I will see you in the next one.